TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 34. You got the NASDAQ up 45. S&Ps are up 8. Gold contracts trading up $5.80 to $11.39.40. You have silver up 13 cents, $15.89. Platinum is trading up $10 at $9.03 an ounce. We have copper flat at $2.47 a pound. Light sweet crude up 57 cents, trading at $53.59 a barrel. Notes: the 10-year note down 6 ticks, 123.05. 30-year bond down 23 ticks, 148.13. Both notes and bonds, folks, continue to try to get off the lows. Haven't been able to do it yet. We'll see if we get any juice out here today. King Dollar's up 43 ticks, trading at 103.045. King Dollar looks like it wants to test the highs once again. Last week you tested the highs, failed on price and volume, then you back down with lighter volume. That sets up another test. That being said, you do have the metals that are moving and have moved since 2:30 last night with strength versus the dollar. The dollar is got some price movement, but it has no volume behind that move. Euro is trading at 104, and the yen is out there at 117.51. We get open, we take a look at the S&Ps. What you have with the SPY is this. SPY right now is trading at a price point that's up 94 cents. You're at 226. This is going to try to get into and test the highs that were generated out here on the 15th. So it's 227.81. I don't expect you're going to get any juice out here today, but we'll see where this shakes out. The NDX 100, now this thing just spiked at the open. NDX 100 is up $1.28. You're at 121.49. That is taking it over the highs, and that's a high volume high that we were looking to get tested, which is 121.11. If we go over to the NQs and we take a look at the future market, what you're going to see inside the futures here is that the futures took off like a rocket ship, and right at the 920 went from 49.49 up to 49.93. Bottom line, we'll see whether it can hold that price. The volume characteristic is going to be absolutely, it's going to have to be huge in order to basically have a true break there. The reason being is that what we did have on the 16th is that you had 54 million shares traded at that 121.11 price area. Gold contract, what do we have with gold? Gold contract start moving last night at 2:30 in the morning with conviction. You had the wide price spread. We had the volume behind the move. Bottom line, we'll see whether it can handle higher price and stay at higher price. Thus far, it hasn't been able to do it. We've got to a price point of 11.51. We're at 11.39 right now. Bottom line is that you have 73,000 contracts traded. We had 60,000 contracts traded at 6:30 in the morning, rather. So bottom line is that you pull back with lighter volume. We'll see whether it can get above the 11.40-20 mark, folks, is important to wrap your head around. That was where it took off topside last night at 2:30. We take a look at the silver contract, same type of setup in silver. Silver is still stronger than gold. Silver traded to a price point today of $16.10. The number to keep your eye on in silver, and I believe it just is 15.89 or 15.88. Silver looks like it's going to basically get above that 15.89 again. That's going to be positive because we have back down, and you're backing down into that area with dramatically lighter volume. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar, folks, looks like it wants to test this high out here. It's going sideways today. Bottom line is that you had the test on the 20th. It failed. You backed down last week on the 22nd. I expect you're going to see a test again. Bottom line is that this week, also holiday trading all week, folks. You can expect some high volatility, prices to get moved around quite a bit, but low volume. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.